you take the picture? Click. What? Oh, are we having a video? I'm knitting.
She's kissing you, Mama.
I'm getting
Kissing Mama. Why don't you go kiss Mama?
Ivy, wanna give Mama a kiss?
Wanna go kiss Mama? Oh, thank you. There's another kiss. Good. You kissed the camera.
I love you.
And the real Mama.
And the real Mama. Hi, Ivy. Hi, honey. I love you. I love you. Ivy. Do I get another kiss? Does Mama get another kiss? Does Mama get another? I love you. You want to sit with Mama? Sit with Mama while I knit? Yeah. We're going to do, this is what's called knitting. Mama does a lot of it. Yes, we do a lot of knitting in this house. We're all